Lady,
Yes.
what are you about to open?
This is Disney Doorables Technicolor Edition.
Yes.
And I am going to get 5, 6, or 7 Doorables. I'm going to guess 6. What do you
I'm going to
thinking?
go with, I don't need to feel it. I'm going to go off of emotions. And my emotions are saying 5.
Your emotions are saying 5.
Yes.
So let's look.
Okay. How many do we have? 7!
That's exciting. Woot, woot.
That's a good
Let's get that
set.
open.
Yeah, let's get those doors out. Also, while she's doing that, our jar de dupe is almost full. So please keep watching because there might be something special coming with that. Hee hee hee. All right. Please hold.
We've got a plan.
Yes. Okay, Mama, who do you think it is?
Well, I'm going to guess Bernie from Elemental, but we'll see. I could be wrong.
Are you right?
Oh, I'm definitely wrong.
Good, because we already have Bernie.
Yes, I believe we have Tiana.
Good, we don't have that Tiana. So that is
Yes.
a new one. Do you know what this means, Mom?
She is a common.
Yes. But do you know what this means, Mom?
What does this mean?
We've confirmed that this box is not a dupe.
That's right.
Yep. All right, I'll give you some time to guess. All right, who do you think it is?
By the ears, it's Mickey or Minnie, but we don't know which one.
Could it be the special edition?
Could be special edition.
Is
It is
it?
not. It is...
Sorcerer Mickey.
And this is, I love Sorcerer Mickey, but this one is a dupe. So it is going into Le Jar de Dupe.
Dupe, 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 dupe. All right, Mom, start guessing your next one.
Okay.
My mom has declared that we are pulling this one out for Karen Carr, her friend, so we're going to pull them out.
I'm going to be optimistic and hope that this is limited edition Genie, but I have a feeling it is not, but I could be wrong. It is...
Oh, it's Maximus!
It is Maximus.
Maximus is a dupe, but that is okay. I do think Karen would like him, though.
I think Karen would like him.
Yes, so we'll give this to
We
my
love
mama's
Maximus.
friend. Boop, these are the two that are going to my mom's friend. This is the new one. Mama's going to keep guessing. Okay, Mama, what do you think it is?
I believe this is one of the Dalmatians, so let's see which one. If it is,
We only have 2 of the Dalmatians so far.
this is definitely a Dalmatian, and it is blue collar.
Is it Perdita or is it Penny?
This is Penny.
Okay, we do already have Penny,
Penny is a dupe.
but I do think Karen, yet again,
Yes.
would be excited about
Karen
this
is
puppy.
going to be very excited about
Yes,
this.
so
This
let's
is a
get it
coworker of
to-
mine who loves Disney like we do.
Yes, so we're gonna put this with the ones for Karen. Okay. And also for everybody's reference, here is our seance that we have going on over here. It has grown. So Mama's gonna keep guessing.
Leaves.
All right.
This could potentially be another 101 Dalmatian puppy, but let's find out. Oh, no, it is not.
It's one of the Lost Boys. That is Toodles.
I am a lost boy. Oh, wait, that's
We
not
do
it.
already have Toodles, and I know
We do
Karen
have
would
Toodles.
want Toodles.
Yes.
So Karen will be getting Toodles because
Yes.
Karen has Slightly already. So you
Yes.
have 2 more left, Mama.
Yep.
Start guessing.
I'm going to guess, I'm thinking this might be a special edition one because of the ears, but let's find out. Oh, no. Oh, wait. No,
Is it Darla?
It's
Bubbles! My
My
bubbles. This is a new one.
We love Bubbles.
So these are the 2 new ones that we have so far.
I was feeling Bubbles' tail.
Yeah, this
Thinking
is
it
the
was an
last
ear.
one
Sorry, Bubbles.
in this set. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
Something with big ears. I have no clue.
Okay.
Let's see how.
Oh, limited edition Stitch! Give me the
It does
special
have
edition.
big ears.
I already have this one, but I don't care. I do not care. Stitch is rare in my heart. Yay! That's exciting.
Stitch is her absolute favorite character ever, so she will never share those Stitches. She could have 1,400 of the same one.
It doesn't matter. They're all Stitch.
She loves Stitch.
Yes, I do. Hence this Stitch. Hence the ones down there. Hence some of the ones that are in here, but most of them are actually in my room because Stitch. And I have a giant pile of Stitch plushies, don't you? So, Mom, what are your final thoughts?
This was a fun set. I'm happy that I'm going to have some dupes to give to my lovely friend Karen Carr. So she will be excited for them too. But thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Nika Nana Krista!